restaurant, and I'm here in the Town Hall Theatre in Galway for the Flogas demonstration. We're going to make a very traditional Irish dessert, which is bread and butter pudding. So we're going to take some bread and I'm going to slice it, and then we're going to make a custard with some cream, nutmeg and cinnamon, and then we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes. So to make the custard, I'm going to take our milk and cream and I'm going to bring it to the boil with our cinnamon and nutmeg. I prefer to use fresh nutmeg because it's a little bit stronger in flavour and it'll give you a more, I suppose, developed nutmeg taste. And of course, if you don't like nutmeg, you can just leave it out. For our custard, we need 3 egg yolks. So for this recipe, I don't need the egg whites, so I'm just going to keep them back. So the cream has just come to the boil. I'm going to take that off and leave it to infuse for about 5 minutes. And this will just help the flavours develop, but it'll also stop the eggs from curdling when we pour the cream over the eggs. So 2 or 3 eggs, I'm going to add our caster sugar and just add it in gradually. So once they're creamed, we can start with our cream. And again, I'm just going to add it in a little bit at a time. So I've just greased our oven-proof dish, and then I'm going to layer the bread with the sultanas and then pour the custard over it. You can also use other dried fruit like prunes or even raisins. So I like to pour the custard over in stages. I mean, you can just pour it over at the very, very end, but I find it soaks in better. And also you have to use less butter on your bread. That's if you want to. And then we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes.